Still more games to come, but a draw today and they're actually up.
Well, you've got to fancy them, haven't you, now, with more than one game remaining. They stand a great chance.
Manchester United getting the first half underway. This is then the Manchester United lineup. David De Gea starts in goal. Eric Bailly plays and shoots. Plenty of power, but not too much direction. Carvajal. Henrik Mkhitaryan. Promising build-up until that challenge. Marcelo. Probing pass. Manchester United. Martial! And that's a corner for Manchester United. Delivered by Mata. Cleared away by the defender. Now Mkhitaryan. Here's Mata. That's great defending there, stopping that attack. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. Going forward well. Aim for Gareth Bale. Going in for goal! The defenders managed to get in the way there. Well, a corner to come because of that deflection. Corner played in. Varane! Here's Casemiro. Isco. Good defending. Here's Martial. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Every time Manchester United play, they're expected to win. That puts on its own pressure. And they won't underestimate, they never underestimate their opposition. On to Ronaldo. He made that look like a poor pass with a very good interception. Well, that is a cheap piece of play to give the ball away like that. That's good movement forward here. Oh, nowhere near. He was a long way out.
Yeah, I think that's a waste to try his luck from there.
Mata. Free kick for Manchester United. And they get it away. Lucas Vazquez. Real Madrid looking good with this attack. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. In towards Bale. Henrik Mkhitaryan. Marcelo. Here's Isco. Here's a chance to attack. Mata. Now Anthony Martial. Break quickly when they get possession. And here's the shot. That is a supreme save at full stretch. Corner for Manchester United. Trying to force their way into the lead now. It was Mata who took the corner. Very good distance to the clearance. He's cut that out well read. And he could get away here. Cristiano Ronaldo, clean through, one-on-one against the goalkeeper.
Yeah, it's a wonderful stop, Martin, isn't it? And no bits and pieces either to follow up on.
Comes in strongly. Cut out the pass. Pogba. Nemanja Matic. Now Mkhitaryan. Good forward play from them. The shot's on! Very good piece of work by the goalkeeper to turn that away from danger. Manchester United have won a corner. It's short, the corner this time. Shot's off! Routine for the keeper. Into the attacking third. And Ronaldo. Casemiro. Shots on here. Good block. Here's Lucas Vazquez. He's got support here. Ronaldo. It is the most difficult thing in all the officiating, I think. But this assistant has got eagle eyes.
Well, I certainly wouldn't want to do that job because the speed that players move now, as it turns out, what a great call.
Henrik Mkhitaryan. Pogba. Here's Casemiro. Attacking well here. Put into the box from Bale. It's rather skewed off his head in the end.
Yeah, he didn't catch it properly. I think he probably closed his eyes there.
Lucas Vazquez. Tackle goes in. Mata. Now Mkhitaryan. Here's Martial. And the referee lets the... It's a foul there, Marcelo. Pogba! Well, he went for goal, and that was optimistic, but he was quite close.
Wasn't far off, was he? I think maybe the keeper would have got to it, but decent strike.
Manchester United have won the ball back here. And they've cut it out. Incisive pass. On to the attack now. Bale! Bale! Threw everything behind that shot. And frustrated that it wasn't quite on target.
Well, if he keeps getting in those kind of areas, I'm sure he'll score pretty soon.
And the time to be added on here is a minimum of 3 minutes. And here they are on the attack. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Ibrahimovic. Martial. Shot blocked here. Corner for Manchester United. Taken by Mata. Very good distance. And now the shot! Oh, that would have looked great if it had flown in, but... Well, this is the second half now, and it's underway. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. This could steered through by Mkhitaryan. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Here's Mata. Oh, nowhere near. He was a long way out.
Yeah, I think that's a waste to try his luck from there.
Pogba. Now Anthony Martial. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. That is a terrific header. Unlucky it's just off target.
They generated some power on it, and the keeper wasn't getting there.
Well, down on the touchline, getting the details about that injury is Jeff Shreves. Jeff.
Oh, horrible injury to his shoulder there. Landed right on top of it. Sore, but he's tough, and I think he'll carry on.
Jeff Shreves there, right down on the touchline. So, Jeff, thanks for that. Henrik Mkhitaryan. Here's Martial. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Oh, free kick awarded by the referee. Marcelo. Aldo. In quickly. Toni Kroos. Now Mkhitaryan. They've lost the ball, and the counter-attack could be there. Well, they had the runner going through, and the pass and the goal. Well, this is an opportunity. When you concede a free kick in an area like this, you could be in serious trouble. Manchester, shot on! Great goalkeeper, great save.
Well, he shouldn't have had a prayer there, but he's so agile, this keeper.
Juan Mata on the corner. Oh, that's good defending. A timely challenge. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, this is a chance for Bale to show his speed going down the flanks. Cristiano Ronaldo. Isco. The shot's on. Blocked it then. Pogba. Nemanja Matic. Lucas Vazquez. Nice return pass. On to the attack now. Kept his balance. And here's the shot. It comes out off the goalkeeper. Getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. Mata threading it through. Played through is Martial. What a goal! So near, yet so far. When they were level, we thought, well, we'd have a party after this game, a promotion party. Of course, there's other opportunities to get the 1 point if they don't get it now, and now they're losing.
Yeah, and worrying signs for me that the way that they've stood off the opposition in the last 5 or 10 minutes, as if they don't really believe they can do it.
Manchester United in the lead. Referee could have pulled that back for Real Madrid, but they play on because of his advantage. On the move and able to cut out the pass. He's cut that out well read. Manchester United attacking with some momentum now. Here's Isco. Toni Kroos. Strong challenge. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. He's lost the ball. Now Anthony Martial. Well, this is the real pace, the raw pace of Martial. Penalty for Manchester United. That's an excellent penalty. Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Here's Lucas Vazquez. Carvajal. That's a brilliant piece of intercepting there at a crucial time in a crucial position. Here's a chance to attack. In from Ronaldo. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Rashford. And he could get away here. Got to be. It was an opportunity, really, but in the end, way off target with that place shot. Now Bailly. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Now Marcus Rashford. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Going forward well. Great challenge by a player who's been doing that all game. This is not what these fans came here to see. They've got their banners and T-shirts ready to celebrate promotion. They're going to have to keep them in the plastic bags in which they brought them, because... And that's into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Not the hardest thing he'll have to do today by any means. Lucas Vazquez. Referee has used the advantage law well here for Real Madrid. It's looking good, this move. Now Casemiro. Ronaldo. Shots on here. Great stop by David De Gea.
Look for all the world as if he would be beaten there. Well, the opposing strikers must think they're just not going to find a way past this Manchester United goalkeeper. Absolutely brilliant.
Swung in by Kroos. Carvajal. Great put. The shot's on. Keeper has reached it and rescued his side. And here he comes. He wants to do it too, the goalkeeper, up for the corner. Corner from Toni Kroos. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, they just can't get the ball away. It's another corner. Corner played in. Casemiro! Well, that is a moment really to look back on with horror, because they're not going to have many more chances to cut back this deficit.
Yeah, what a chance. I mean, listen, it's late on. It might not have made a difference, but it would have given them a squeak of a chance, that.
Rashford. Good vision. He's in. And here's the shot. That's a clever effort, Alan, isn't it? Very clever.
Yeah, it was. He's always got the imagination to try that kind of thing.
And the added time will amount to 3 minutes at least.
3 minutes.
It's Isco. Well read by the defender. That's a fine challenge, and he's got the ball. Gareth Bale. Cross from Gareth Bale. And the keeper can collect this one. And he's blown his whistle for the last time. This is a team win every game.